This video will show you how to convert TS to MP4. Have you noticed that some of your videos, for example, downloaded from online or recorded by camcorders are in TS format? Transport Stream, aka MPEG TS or MTS, is a slightly older format that was originally designed for broadcast. Later it was adapted for use with digital video cameras, recorders and players by adding to 192-byte packet, called TOD in camcorder and M2 TS stream in computer. TS is only accepted by limited devices, not compatible with video editing software, cannot be shared to YouTube, and sometimes lags when playing with VLC. To make TS videos playable and compatible, you're recommended to convert TS to MP4. How to do that? WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe gives you an easy solution. Free download WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe and launch it on your computer. Click Video button or drag and drop to load your TS video file. You see, an output profile window pops up, where more than 420 profiles are available for your choice. Go General Profiles and choose MP4 Video as output format. On the main interface, by clicking Settings button, you're able to tweak video parameters like frame rate, aspect ratio, resolution, and adjust audio settings. You can also make some basic editing for your TS video. Access the video editing interface and you're able to adjust audio volume, select or add video subtitle, customize video frame size and trim video length, etc. Then, tick on the box of Hardware Accelerator to raise the encoding speed, and High Quality Engine to enhance the output video quality. And click Browse button to specify the output path if necessary. Once you've done, tap the blue Run button to start the TS to MP4 encoding. With the support of Intel QSV, NVIDIA, and AMD hardware acceleration, WinX HD Video Converter Deluxe can boost TS to MP4 encoding to 47x real-time faster, with nearly no quality loss. Thanks for watching. It's my way to convert TS to MP4. If you have some other ideas, feel free to write it down in the comment. If you like this video, please give us a thumb up and subscribe to WinX DVD for more video conversion tutorials.